Morning everybody, it's Chris here from Serene Education. It's the 9th of September 2010 and I'm just continuing with the analysis for this morning. I've opened up a chart of USDCHF on our CTC strategy template on our preferred trading platform Metastock Pro, and I'm going to have a look at the daily analysis quickly. Let's get rid of that. And what have we got here? Well, Chief in the last couple of days, the last week or so, has just been a lot of indecision. The last 2 days in particular, we've just had Doji, and Asian market Doji. So the US dollar against the Swiss franc is in a very indecisive range at the moment. And this on a downside, you can see we're in an extended downtrend. Overall still down. Okay, and what it's doing now is it's being squeezed in this range. Okay, very indecisive, and there's breakout of that consolidation. Ideally we'll probably see the end of just above 0.990 being our next target. So it's going to be interesting what the next couple of days bring on this pair. Okay, so very indecisive. So it's going to be messy on an intraday time frame, I guess. Let's have a look. If we go to a 50-minute chart, yeah, I mean it's just noise. It's just absolute rubbish. Wow, it's shocking. I mean, you can see on our 4-hour time frame we still have this. The moving averages are well fanned out, so it's confirming a very strong downtrend for this pair. The US dollar is taking a real beating against the Swiss franc at the moment, but you can see how the past couple of days it's been able to find a support here around this level here at 10059, and subsequently it's working its way towards it. Now we find that with all these squeeze patterns, we always tend to find that there's a breakout to the downside at least halfway to thirds through it, so expect something to happen soon. If you can still stay above here, it still need to break the higher 50 period in particular in order to even think about going long, and then we need our CTC to confirm that across the board. So on the 4-hour we're still in a negative trend, so not touching this until it actually breaks the 50 period moving average, which is the purple line here, and at least closes above 1.115. So all our time frames pretty much saying to us we're still in a negative trend. Hourly, same thing. You can see a 200 period moving average acting as a resistance level here, ceiling level, which happens to be our 50 on our 4-hour. So you can see how the moving averages are confirming this negativity. The 200 is still above us, so we're still in a negative trend on a 30-minute. At the moment now, playing hopscotch with the 200 period moving average as we speak on a 50-minute, and I can guarantee you and ultimately on our entry candle for those who trade the shorter time frames, we're trading below the 200 period moving average. So started play today, still trading below. You can see there's a bit of consolidation, so if this was to continue the downside, we'd like to at least see it break this low here, being squeezed at the moment, so at least a break below 1.10 would see further downside movement. A bit of hesitation on the way down, unfortunately. It's a very messy chart, very messy, but ultimately those will be your targets. Ultimately the one down here at 10060 would be your ultimate target for this time frame. Okay, very messy chart, very messy. Wow, I mean if we get a nice decent sell signal here, and then look to see if we can capitalize on a quick couple pips for this morning, but not the best chart to look at, fortunately, guys, but make the most of it. Okay, I'll be back with US Japanese yen next. Just ensure that you get all your crosses and take those pips when you can. All the best.